Also getting a closer look this evening, closer to learning whether Aiden Fucci's mother, Crystal Smith, will take her case to trial. She's charged with tampering evidence involving the case in which her son brutally killed his schoolmate Tristan Bailey on Mother's Day 2021.
Investigators say Smith washed blood off Fucci's clothes while he was being questioned by police. You can see in this home surveillance video a person cleaning something in a bathroom there. News4JAX reporter Marilyn Parker joining us live. Marilyn, can we expect to see Smith in court tomorrow?
Well, Crystal Smith hasn't been in court since her first appearance. Her attorneys recommended she stay away from her son's sentencing, but outside attorneys say they would think that she would be present tomorrow because there's two options left, either going to trial or resting and resolving this case.
The last time we've seen or heard anything about Crystal Smith was in these letters to the court and to Tristan Bailey's family. She wrote them as her son, Aiden Fucci, was being sentenced for Bailey's murder. Smith faces evidence tampering charges in the case. Bailey's father mentioned Smith after the judge sentenced her son to life.
The fact that we are continuing to have to go through the legal process makes the apology questionable. You've seen the videos from the home. You've seen the videos from the interrogation room. I would say if she's sorry, she can start by accepting responsibility.
The start of Smith's trial is set for this month. She hasn't been present in any court proceedings for herself or her son. A video of her played during Fucci's sentencing.
Now we have people wanting to burn her house down and her cars down.
She told Fucci people were threatening them.
Could that be a reason why she did not show up to any court proceedings, not even her son's sentencing?
The courthouse is so secure, I would really be surprised if that was her reasoning. The fact that she wasn't present at the sentencing hearing really gives me some pause, just as his mom.
Belkis Plata is a defense attorney who says if she was defending Smith, she would have had her in court when necessary. The state will call investigators in the case, show the interrogation room and home surveillance videos, and bring in an analyst to testify. The arrest warrant says after Fucci was being questioned by investigators, Smith went home and washed his jeans.
We're gonna go home and get your clothes.
What clothes?
The clothes you're wearing.
The jeans and the drain tested positive for blood. Plata says she doesn't see this case going to trial because Fucci was who the state attorney's office really went after.
How would you defend Crystal Smith?
I would, just talk to the prosecution about the fact that this is a mom trying to protect her son. A crime is a crime nonetheless, but I think taking into account everything that was happening for them in that moment and her lack of criminal history, that they might just put her on probation and give her an opportunity to reacclimate to society, and try to right her wrong.
The maximum for evidence tampering is 5 years in prison. Smith will go against the same prosecutors in Fucci's case. They know the case well, and Plata expects Smith will enter an agreement with them.
The final pretrial is set for 1:30 tomorrow. Smith has been waiving court appearances, but what about tomorrow? Well, we called her attorney and asked if she'd be there. He said, I think not. Reporting live, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.